Welcome to this comprehensive review of Merchify, the ultimate platform for dropshipping and print-on-demand businesses. Merchify stands out as a versatile solution for entrepreneurs who want to create customized products and streamline their e-commerce operations. This platform offers a seamless integration process with leading marketplaces and e-commerce platforms, making it easy to sync products and track sales in real time. Whether you're looking to sell t-shirts, mugs, or any other customizable items, Merchify provides an intuitive design tool that ensures your products look professional and appealing. One of the standout features is its automated order fulfillment system, which takes the hassle out of managing inventory and shipping logistics. Merchify's extensive network of suppliers ensures timely production and delivery, giving you more time to focus on marketing and growing your brand. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, botas for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Merchify also offers detailed analytics, allowing you to monitor your store's performance and make data-driven decisions. With an affordable pricing structure and no upfront inventory costs, this platform is a game-changer for aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned e-commerce professionals alike. Don't miss out on this in-depth walkthrough of its features. Like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.